morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, everyone. Good to see you guys here today. Yes, sir. Thursday. How y'all feeling? Good to see you all here today. It is going to be a good day, man. It's going to be a good one. Oh, let me fix something up. Alright, cool. Okay. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing good. We're back, baby. We're back. It is Thursday, right? Today's Thursday, the 21st of September. Cruising along now through September, man. Month is flying by. And we got another day on our hands, right? Another day, another opportunity here for us to run the play, right? Run the play. And we're going to take a look at what we got going on with the news. And then go ahead and jump into the charts. Let's get rid of all this. Let's do that. Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, FX Viking? Hey, raise the king. What up, Shiro? Shiro's in the building today. Leo, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing well. Buenos dias, my friend. Yes, sir. Big Folk Red in the building. What up, Big Folk Red? Jimmy Lambo. What up, Jimmy? Hey, we missed you the last couple days. What up, Ewan? Ewan's in the house as always. The groomsmith is here. What up? What up? What up? All right. All right. All right. Let's see what we got going on. So we're in a GJ position right now. Looking to see, man, we got slipped big time here on 8 cap. Sheesh. Holy moly. Hey, Sergio, what's going down? What up, Sergio? All right, let's take a look at what we got going on here today. We'll get this day started. Let's see what we got going on in the headlines here. So it is Thursday. Right, today is Thursday, and we do have unemployment claims coming in here. So that's going to be coming in at 8:30 here. So unemployment claims, up until then, we really got nothing, right? Some stuff here on the pound at 7. So let's see where that throws this pound yen position, and that's about it, right? That's about it for the rest of the day. We got one yellow folder and an orange folder. Nothing much outside of unemployment claims here. So let's jump into the charts. Let's see what we got going on here with gold and pound yen, and then we'll mac out from there. So taking a look at the daily, right? We did close bearish here yesterday on the daily time frame. You guys remember this basically was a 4-hour move up and then a 4-hour move back down, right? So that's pretty much what this wick represents. One thing we do know is that we do have a resistance here, right? And we respected that previous support last time, and now we have created that resistance after a massive exhaustion wick here, right? So that's what we're looking at here on the daily. This candle is moving down very, very nicely. This is exactly what I expected price to do. And sales are looking good, right? We may need a little bit of a pullback at this point. If you notice that this candle on the 4-hour did close with no bottom wick, right? Candle closed with no bottom wick. So this one may or may not, want to now go down. We may pull up. That way we can get some sort of a pullback and look for sells. So what I'm going to be looking for today on gold is sells below 1922. It's going to be this 1-hour support. And then what we'll also look for is fake outs somewhere in these ranges here, right? Fake outs somewhere between 25 and 28. And if not, then I'll look to take my buys above 31 there. So that's what I'll be doing in terms of this gold situation here today. GJ, as of right now, we are pushing down, right? We took a 15-minute celery play here. Closure below the range, right? If you guys look left. Let me look left. Hold on. All right. So looking left, we did close below this range here. Clean traffic coming down to about 181,600. And that's what this position is here. This is a 15-minute celery play and a 30-minute breakout on the break of the lows, previous lows there. So that's the position we're in currently on pound yen. And yeah, so we're looking to see if we can push off of this resistance now, come on down, get down to break even, and close some partials and see if we can get down to like 181,500 here. So yeah, GJ is very bearish, right? We opened up, 4-hour candles got room to go, right? We've got wicks to fill down here and a support. So I'm expecting this 4-hour candle now, after finally closing below this range, to be able to continue down, fill these wicks, and potentially come down here, you know, to the support on this 15-minute celery play. So 10 pip stop or 15 pip stop or something like that. So we'll see what happens here. But pretty bearish here on pound yen. If you look at the daily, we did break these lows here. Lots of volume. You got that support that we're talking about coming down here. 4-hour is very bearish again. Finally closed below that level of support. So that's indicating that you should see a very, very nice push coming down to the downside down here. So like 181,500. And 1 hour's clean, right? 1 hour's pretty clean. 30 minutes clean. Nice breakout. And 15-minute celery play. So yeah, we'll see how this trade unfolds here. I know I got slipped about 4 pips, man. 4 pips here on pound yen. Let me move this. This might be even lower. Yeah, so that's what I got going on here this morning. And yeah, it's definitely gonna be an early stream today. Got to get going to the airport a little bit later, so I got that going on. And yeah, let me just lower the music a little bit. Yeah, we got pound yen news, so that's something that we have to look forward to here in about 3 minutes. So will we get the push down? That is the question. Let's go back to trading view. All right. Nice. So yeah, I'm gonna close partials right here. Close partials right there, and then let the rest of it drive. That's it. Yeah, gonna move stops to break even, and that's the trade. Yeah, if news wants to run down here, that'll be awesome. Lovely. Yeah, let's move stops to break even, and closed partials right here. And now let's see if the rest can run. What up, Joe Stewart? It's good, bro. Yeah, major slippage on GJ here on ACAP. I don't like that. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. But overall, good trade, good playbook setup, right? 15-minute celery, 30-minute breakout, clean stops too. We had a 10 pip, or actually with the spread, it was like probably like 17 pip stops or something. Oh, what happened here? Wait, what happened? Break even. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Break even. That's wild. Where did price ever come to break even? $10 pip spread. Gotcha. Oh yeah, there's the drive. There's that 4-hour drive we were looking at right there. Support coming in. Beautiful. Spreads were trolling. Yeah, that B was trash. ACAP quaking. But yeah, lovely trade. So we got like a decent move out of that. Oh, look at this rip. Yeah, that's that 4-hour move right there. Right? We talked about this closure below here. Very, very, very important close. Right? So once that candle did close below, you had clean traffic coming down into these levels, and then you have this support right here. So beautiful move down. W chat. I don't know how many of you guys took that. I know the Signals channel took it, but not. Is anybody else in that? Took it nice, AB. Dope. Awesome. Yeah, W chat. Good trade. Good trade. You made my day today, Nick. W's in chat. What up, classic trader? What up? What up? What up? Oh man, this thing. They did us dirty on these spreads though, AB. They did us dirty on the spreads, man. $100 pips. Alexandru's in the building. What up, Alexandru? Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, I wanted to move stops to BE because I didn't want to take a loss like up here, right? 10 pip spreads. All of a sudden, price comes right here, and I take this loss. So I was like, yeah, let me get to BE. 58 pips. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's why we take partials, right? We took partials right there. The bag was there for us, right? The bag was there for us, so yeah, I wanted to get out before news because I got 70 pips. Congratulations, Kim. Wick the kids in the house. Oh, hey, yo, I don't think I sent the Zoom link out. Hey, yo, no one told me about Zoom. Where's the Zoomers? Yeah, this thing's ripping. Yeah, can we review the reasons why? Yeah, so pretty much what happened was, so this 4-hour candle, right? It started about, hold on, let's go back to the 4 hours. So looking here at the 4 hour, right, or looking at the daily, right? So the daily pushed down, broke through all these lows, right? That's all good and fine, but this was the kicker for me, right? Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame here, right? Remove all this. If we're looking at this 4-hour chart, right, you have a lot of rejections, right? Price has been trying to come down, 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 but has not been able to do it, right? And then what happened is you had this support level right here, right? And that seemed to be the problem here. And that same support level had been rejected, rejected, rejected. Now finally we get a candle to close below, and not just a candle, a strong candle, right? This is a big, strong candle. You got clean traffic coming down to the left hand side. This was the target here for me. This, you know, was like that second target right there, you know. So, and GJ really does like to play around on these even numbers. You know, I know we don't talk about that much, but it's just a fact with GJ. So, you know, that's most likely where you know, GJ wants to head, right? 18500. So that's probably where the 4-hour candle wants to go, right? So you got a top wick, but let's talk about that top wick for a second, because the top wick is all the way up here, right? This was our last resistance. Price had just driven down. If we look at the 30, it's still driving down, right? But when we look at the 15-minute time frame, that's where you see an opportunity. Hold on, let me erase this. So looking left on the 15-minute time frame, right? Remember, new 4-hour candle opens up, starts driving. Looking left on the 15, we want to find some clean range. So this is all clean range. So as long as that 15-minute candle I was watching, right, at 6:30, right, which is pre-New York times the volume, right, as this candle, or was it 6, right, or 6:30, yeah. So as the candle closes below this range here, now you've got clean traffic coming all the way down. So going back to price action, oh no, I'm sorry, it was this one over here. Yeah. Hold on. Oh yeah, this one right here. So this level right here. So we're already past this level. We needed to find the next area. So this is the zone right here. And if we look left, or if we look back to the right hand side now, this bullish candle closed below that range, giving us a 15-minute celery play, right? So next candle was our entry candle. After making a high, we wanted to get the entry on the break of these lows here. So got our entry on the break of the lows. Price pulled back, but price still closed, right? 15-minute pull back, but it's still closed below the range here, right? Indicating that there was going to be volume now for price to continue down, and then that's what we've seen. So it was a 15-minute celery, and then you had the breakout on the 30-minute time frame as well. Yeah. So pretty simple 15-minute celery play. Very, very bearish, right? A lot of bearish volume. Where's my chart? Damn, did I move it that much? There we go. All right, back to it. All right, yeah, and then the reason break even was here is because, you know, you have these levels right here that price may reject. So there was a minor support, and there was also, you know, this resistance there. So that's why break even was right there. Oh, nice. Awesome, awesome. Learning a lot. That's always good to hear. What's my Instagram? What's my Instagram? I think it's just my name with an underscore. What up, Lee? Did the stream start earlier than usual? No. We started 6:45. That was an amazing trade. Hey, TK. What up, TK? Good morning, bro. Bright and early for you, huh? You were sweating, huh? MT4. I really want to learn by showing up here every day. Yeah, you will. You will. You'll definitely learn. If you show up here every day, you'll learn. I'm very, very confident in that. Very confident. Hey, yo, what up, everyone in Zoom? Good morning, gang. Nice one, though, Nick. B was BS. Yeah, we got BS'd on that, not B. What up, Henry? What's going on, man? Just sent you a DM on Discord. All right, Jimmy Lambo. Jimmy Lambo. Yeah, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on IG. Let me just do something over here. All right, I'm gonna upgrade or update all this stuff here real quick for you guys. Overlay. Oh, 91. Nice. Nice, nice. Check out all this. I'm gonna just show you guys something. You see all this? All these like wicks down in here. So if I put a line there, that's probably exactly where price went to. Let's delete this now. Let's go back. Oh, come on. Come on, son. Stop playing. Yeah, so that's what you want to look for, right? When you're looking for targets, because a lot of people also look straight at that support, but they miss what the market's trying to tell them. Price coming down, down, and then pulling up from this little zone here. So, yeah, you always got to always try and look a little deeper than the next trader. That's the main thing that you want to look to do, right? Because if everyone can see that support, then there's probably a hidden feature somewhere, right? And you just got to dig for it. Look left a little bit. Big motion. Did I take the trade? Yeah, we just took this trade. We took a 15-minute celery. We're gonna mark it up now. Yeah, we took this. Right, we had the candles closing below here. We had sells below this range. 15-minute candle closed bearish, strong bearish below. Next one closed bullish below the zone, and then this was our trading candle. So we got entered in on this candle. Price pulled back, never broke the highs here. Our stops are sitting. Let me show you where our stops were. Our stops are right here. So we have pretty tight stops. Price came up, never broke the highs, respected the previous 15, gave us that resistance, and once I seen that resistance, I knew we were gone. So yeah, next candle just drove down, and this really didn't need a top wick because that was just the next 15 on the 30-minute candle. That was all. 30-minute candle kind of opened up with no wick. Price came up, made a wick for it, and then drove down. Yeah. So yeah, about 10 pips and then break even. Oh, your chances of being born is, oh my goodness. Those are low chances there. Oh, nice. Look at this. 15-minute candle ripping here. Lovely. Yeah, that's where I was looking for a fake out. Right here. But no top wick here, so what wouldn't been able to do anything with that. Yeah. So sometimes in these cases, like, you don't need the best top wick, right? Like, if your stops are going to be that resistance here and that's going to be your trade, you don't need the best top wick. But I'm telling you from experience, it's always good to have at least something. Always good to have at least something. So yeah, that's yeah, a lot of times what I used to do is I would just enter off of the open of the candle, right? I would just market execute, open off the opening of the candle would be my entry. And I wouldn't wait for that top wick, and boom, that's like you get stopped out for no reason. Where if you were waiting for the top wick and then set your and then, you know, market execute on the flip or the break of the low or whatever, set your sell stop, then at least you have some confirmation that you've gone up already. Right, but you know, when there's no top wick, this thing could easily just get smoked, right? Everything's closed above the range here, so it's always best to wait for that. But if we get a closure here on the 1 hour or 30-minute time frame, I believe is okay, then we could be coming downtown here on gold. So we'll see. What up, YOLO trader? Good morning, bro. Thank you for the breakdown on GJ. Oh, gotcha, man. Retrace that whole move on GJ. Yeah. And man, that's what gold did yesterday too, right? So look, if you guys didn't take that trade, understand that FOMC will come around again. And when it comes around again, we have this information here, right? And we can, you know, I think what happened yesterday was they priced the news in during the New York session, and then the afternoon press conference just helped retrace that move, right? Look where the volume came from. Once we grabbed the pack here, it was gone. Right, that was the final straw. That was the final move up, the final pump, and then boom, drove all the way down here. So I think we could have maybe done something with this had we been focused a little bit more on the 30-minute time frame. But when we were waiting on that closure here for the 15, right, it closed very weak. And then this candle started moving down, and you don't know, right, if that thing wants to go back up. So that's why I say, man, the 30-minute time frame is your best bet, because that's going to give you the best confirmation. The higher the time frames, the stronger the data, but 30-minute is going to be just money. Mike in the building. What up, Mike? Mike, I don't think you were here the other day, but when we took a win, instead of throwing W's in the chat, bro, we threw Mike's in the chat. We threw Mike's in the chat on the W. Mike. Dude, I titled my stream for you the other day. Let's run it for Mike, the man, the myth, the legend. That's too funny. Can you answer? Yeah, sure. Yeah, I probably missed the question. There's a flood of Mike's coming through. M's. Hey, an M is an upside down W, ain't it? We do things a little different around here. M's in the chat. Oh, nice gold. Very clean, very clean. Clean resistance here potentially for NY Open. Yeah, we're gonna fill that wick on the 15-minute time frame here on pound yen. We're gonna fill this wick here. Flip it. Watch this. Hold on one sec. Sam Capital in the building. Yeah, Sam, we took some sells here. We closed 80% and yeah, everything. I think runner got stopped at B. And then this happened. Would you look at that? 100 pips. 100 pips. Can I explain how I knew it would be a sell? I didn't know it would be a sell, but I had a really good feeling after we moved down. 4 hour was very bullish or bearish, right? After that closure below, as I was telling everyone, right? You closed below that support. Very, very strong closure. Next 4 hour was bound to come down, fill this clean traffic to the left, tap into that or fill these wicks here. And then I wasn't sure about all this move, but you know, our full TP was at 181,500 there. So that was the move for us. All in all, about 32 pip range there to fill. So going down to the 15-minute, I seen that there was a resistance being formed here, right? So candles were moving down, closing below support to the left. This candle closed bullish, but it closed below, and then the next candle was seller play. Entry on the break of the lows for price to continue down. Price tapped into 181,666. It was about about 15 pips. Minus slippage or whatever. So yeah, and that was the move. So you had that resistance form, right? 15-minute came down, right? Came down, boom, boom, and then bam. Boom, bam, bam, boom, bam. Yeah, it was pretty simple trade. 4 hour was I I wasn't on the chart when this happened, but that wasn't bad at all, because that was where the closure originally happened, right? We were looking for those closures below. So that was that was at 5. So yeah, I wasn't on the charts at that time. I was doing 100 on the highway at that time. Trust me. I got slipped like 2K again. Yeah, 2K again, man. Yep. That's like 4,000 I'm missing out on slippage right there. Hey, I got it all recorded. Everything's being recorded. Yup. My God. Where's Green at? Greenery. Hey, shout out to everyone that pulled up for Asian session last night. Chill stream. We almost got some trades. Oi! Is Sam here? Is Sam on Zoom? Sam? Psh, Sam, if you're on Zoom, psh, turn on your camera. What up, Green? It's good, bro. Asian vibes were chilling. Yeah, Asian vibes were chilling. Sandman. Marinery, what up? What up, Lewis? Lewis G in the building. Oi! Yeah, the slippage has mainly been on GJ. A lot of slippage there on pound yen. Oh, another Lewis G. What up, Lewis G? Signal room is fire, bro. Crazy, and we have everything there. Never seen something so professional. Oh my, really? Yeah, we found a new program for the signal, so now I don't even have to type them, and they come in instantly. Once I set my order, it's in. Yeah, I watched it today. Today was the first signal that we sent out. We've been testing them in a test room. So yeah, it looks clean. It looks clean. We're gonna be shifting everyone over to the other signal room where that's gonna be like the thing, you know. Do I plan on trying another prop firm? I want this relationship with the funded trader to work. You know, that's what I'm hoping for. I know I'll hold up my end of the bargain. It's just, will they do their end, right? I want it to work, right? If it works well, I mean, it's good for them, right? Because here we are, and if I can go through their you know, phase 1, phase 2, get the payouts, right? Go through the whole process, and I could recommend them to you guys. There's a big market share for them. So, you know, if they're doing the right thing, I hope to continue a relationship with them and max out their, you know, their plan and continue on, right? If not, then I don't know. I'll probably have to start my own account again. The boys are here. What up, boys? Oi.
Hey, morning, boys.
Oi.
Oi.
Boys.
Steady.
Yo, I'm feeling great this morning. How are you feeling, John? How are you feeling, Nick?
Feeling amazing, bro. Feeling like the best day of my life.
I'm
Cause
feeling.
it is, baby.
I'm feeling. Oi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how I'm feeling too. Oi.
Yes, sir. Let's go, boys.
Got motion in the chat. How's everyone doing?
sir.
today?
We got motion. Morning, chat.
Sam and John are free.
Thursday. Oh, yeah. Freedom. Let's
Yeah,
go.
30-minute candle closed here. So, yeah, 17. Let's see if we can get a 15, 16 pip top wick here. There might be an opportunity for us. Oh, no top wick here either. Yeah, you know what? I'm actually I'm waiting here. I'm gonna wait for NY Open. Yeah, well, I'll see if I can strike at NY Open because there's no top wick on this 15. 30 closed pretty nice, but the NY Open's coming up here on the next candle, and the 1 hour is gonna be our best confirmation here. Right, if we get that 1 hour that forms the resistance, and end the breakout, that's so much better. So I think we'll wait for end volume. Come on, man, don't get much better than that. So yeah, that sounds a lot better to me. How about y'all?
I love that. I was thinking the same
Yeah.
thing, baby. We're in flow.
And guess what, chat? If it drives, it drives. We do this every day.
Because if it drives, it'll probably pull back for NYSE.
Yeah. But I'll be long gone by then on a airplane.
But I'll be catching
Hi.
a bag.
I'll be catching a bag at the airport.
I might not be kidding. I might not be kidding. We'll see. Yeah. He'll be at
Bag,
the airport catching the bag.
I can't closing my eyes. I can't watch it drive. There you go. Hey, whatever works. You gotta close your eyes. You gotta close your eyes. Just do whatever you gotta do. Let's wait, Nick. No top wicks. We're gonna wait, McNeil. We're gonna wait, my friend. That's gonna be the best option here for us today. How to get in the signal room? If you hit the drop down on YouTube, you'll see everything we provide outside of the live streams. You'll see it right there. You just gotta drop down the YouTube channel, and that's the only clue I can give you.
If you can find it, then you can find it.
TK throwing that. Yo, we're about to hit it big in the Delta Lounge, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna get there.
Strike a blade.
I'm gonna get there pretty early too, so I should be chilling at the airport by 9:30, like chilling, you know, everything taken care of, waiting to board. So should be good.
If you're there for 9:30, that'll be good.
You already know. Best Indian 7-Eleven accent.
He took it back.
When you going? Where am I going? I'm going to New York for a few days.
Oh, brother, coming down here.
Coming up. I'm flying up, not down.
Coming up. Let me say.
It's always
Coming
up. It's up.
Always up. Always up. Excuse my language, y'all.
Going to Ibiza, Nick? Oh no, I wish. Not yet. I'll probably take my wife there within the next year or two. Maybe I could send a signal while boarding. Maybe. Yep. Hey, what's cool about it now is once I place my trade, the signal gets shot out. So I don't even have to type anything or do nothing or none of that.
Yeah,
So the fat finger Nick signal is in the past. But we got to get you guys over to the other room first, so.
Joe Stu.
What up, Joe? Joey Stoop.
Stoop.
That's my ride. Nah, there's gonna be no stream tomorrow. No stream tomorrow. So I'll be trading. I'll have like my laptop with me, but I won't have any streaming equipment, so won't be able to stream. But for those of you guys in the Signals group, we lit. We still lit.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
High volume flu. Yeah. New York bacon, egg, and cheese.
Gibbering, yes, sir.
How long's the flight from Florida to New York? It's like 2.5 hours. Monday we back, classic trader. Yes, Monday we back. I'll be right on time Monday morning.
Now we back.
Just in the nick of time. Oh, nice, Big Sam.
Big Sam.
You tagged me on IG? Oh, yeah, man. My Instagram is really blowing up, man. This guy, I had Raja repost me 2 or 3 times, man. Every time Raja reposts me, I get thousands of followers. Crazy. Yeah, that's correct, Chris. Yep. Yeah, by next week everything should be straight. I think we have everyone's emails, so everyone in the Signals chat, if you haven't DM'd me on Discord with your email, I need you guys to do that. I need you to do it today or tomorrow or definitely over the weekend. Just do it now. Just do it right now.
Take action.
Take action. Nick giggling when Raja reposts him. Yeah, I be getting like, my man. Nah, shout out to Raja, man. That dude's a beast. That dude's been a beast. I remember tuning into his live streams every morning, man. Those were some of the best times.
Bro, did I tell you one of the songs that comes on, like our mix, is one of the songs that he used to play back in like 2020? Because I was sitting there yesterday, like while you were doing the breakdown, and it hit me, bro. It was like that Ratatouille scene where he's like eating the food and it takes him back to his childhood.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Dang. I think I seen someone say that in the chat like one time.
Oh really? Yeah. I was like, wow. I think I typed it in the chat yesterday.
Oh, maybe it was you.
Yeah.
I feel it was pretty recently. It could have been yesterday. Every day is like just a smushed up one day nowadays.
We do the same thing every day.
Yeah.
Literally.
Rita, what up, Rita?
What up, Rita?
What up, Elaine?
Rita. It's good. Elaine.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I never forget when my buddy put me on with Raja, bro. I was like, whoa, like this is a much simpler way. Now, I didn't know how difficult it could be, right? Because now you're trading like individual candles. So there's a new candle opening up, every 5 minutes, 15 minutes, right? So now you have more opportunities where before I'd be waiting for, price to get to 1930, whatever, right? And then take sells, right? That was the strategy I was using at that time with like Fibonacci and moving average and stuff like that. And then I was like, damn, this is pretty simple, but I didn't realize how simple it was to sit on your hands and stay patient. And then I had to go through that whole crash course. And but it's been amazing. This has been the best transition for me, the best like trading style I think I could have found, because as you guys know me, I'm not the smartest, right? I like to take complicated things and make them as simple as possible for my brain to understand. And that's pretty much what this strategy gave me, was just a very simple blueprint that I could follow. And then, you know, took some time for me to actually follow it. But once that happened, it was like day and night. Literally.
X. Sam, man, what's good, fam? Nah, Nick, man, I remember when you brought me Raja. Like, I remember when you showed me Raja.
Yeah.
And it was like you said, it was just like, it was so good for my eyes because it was so simple. Like, we were only gonna trade candlesticks.
Yeah. Yup.
And that's when that's when I was with Swaggy too.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, this is way more simpler.
I was like, watch this. This
Simply.
candle's gonna open. Watch it. It's gonna make this top wick right here. Look at this. Look, you see that? Wow. All right, we're gonna enter on the flip. Winning trade. Wow, it's that easy. And then we'll do it again. We're gonna enter on the flip. Wait, this time it flipped and pulled back and stopped us out. Wait, what happened? Wait, what was that about? Oh, you know. And then I remember the first time we were talking about, hey, it's a lot better when we wait for the current candle to break. Remember that? Because we always used to enter on the open of the candle. So for instance, when this candle closed, we would just enter a position on the open of the candle. No wait for top wick, none of that stuff. Right? So we enter
below, sell.
Yeah, close below, sell, close above, buy. And then, you know, that's when we started figuring out like, oh, you know what? It's best to wait for that top wick. And if it does have a current low already, it's best to wait for that low instead of the flip of the candle. And, you know, then we started trial and error, and that's where the learning was done. You know, and then we also had Don to come in and tie some of this stuff together for us, and just picked his brain, and yeah, just basically took Raja and him and just created one beast strategy out of it.
Back.
And it's still being developed more and more today, like continuing to get better and better.
Always. Oh yeah, bro. It's been a great ride.
We just getting started here, man. Just
Literally.
getting started. We just got started here in February, right? Mid-February, so we're just beginning.
Yes, sir.
Snowball effect.
Yeah. How'd I figure out I wanted to trade gold? It was really just like a random. I think Swaggy traded gold. So my first like course that I really kind of stuck with was Swaggy, and he traded gold, and that was like a pair that he would say is a volatile pair, like a pair that moves a lot. And at that time I was just trading, you know, some of the regular random pairs, you know, like the pair you just said.
Yeah.
Just random pairs, right? And yeah, so he traded gold, and then I was like, man, I would love to start trading gold. And then once I found Raja traded gold too, and I was like, oh man, gold. I want to get really good at gold. And I knew gold traded well during the NY session, and that was the session that I was looking to trade, because for a while I was trading London session, and I would just trade the pound. So I would trade pound pairs like GJ, GA, and GU, I think. Yeah. GJ, GA, and GU, I believe. Yeah. So yeah, that's when I was like, you know what? Let me narrow it down. And then Raja really helped me, because he was like, yo, 1 to 2 trades a day, 1 to 2 pairs. That's it. Just stick with that. Simplify it. And then that's where all that came from, because GJ was with me from the jump. That was my favorite pair. We used to consider, remember that, Sam, when GJ was very volatile?
Yeah.
Right? GJ was that pair, man. In 2019, 2020, GJ was that pair. And before that, and yeah, I used to trade all these pairs. So all the pairs that I have on the bench here. Oh, you guys can't see that. I forgot. My bad. Yeah, I used to trade pairs like GU, Euro USD, USD JPY, Euro Yen. So if you guys could see that on the side of the screen, I would trade what else? Euro, I don't know, whatever this is. Yeah, AUD USD, used to trade that. That was I had my biggest, so AUD USD, I had my biggest trade ever. Well, not anymore, but like when I first began, it was $300. And man, I I was actually hurting at that time financially, big time. Like everything was going smooth, but I had taken some hits. And I looked at my wife and I said, "Yo, we're doing this thing. Like I just made $300 in an hour. You know, I'm gonna get good at this. We're gonna lock it in." So AUD, shout out to AUD USD, because that was a pair that really pumped some belief into me as a trader that I could actually do this thing.
Love you.
AUD USD. Not a bad pair.
It feels like you guys been on TV for 24 hours. Every time dudes are checking their YouTube, we're on. We're all over this thing.
I love it though. I love it. Get
This
used to it.
Nice.
This is the fourth time to eat session here in the last 24 hours, man. We working. We working.
Beautiful. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Who's hype?
Stay online.
Chat, who looked themselves in the mirror today and said, "I'm the man.
I did.
I'm gonna have the better in my life." Better, Nick.
I did it.
Good, bro. Good.
Yeah, gang. You gotta
Need more energy like that.
I ain't seen a mirror yet.
I ain't seen a mirror yet. Check out Zoom. Look into your eyes.
You haven't done it yet, y'all.
That's weird, bro. I can't look right in the cam. I feel weird looking right up in the camera.
Have you ever just looked into someone's eyes and just seen like space?
Like nothing?
Yeah, bro. Like,
Yeah, there's literally
Like the
nothing between
universe or
behind them
something.
eyes, bro.
or
Is this true? Someone said this in a chat yesterday, Nick. Someone asked, I think it was like 1/3 of souls, it says in the Bible, or 1/3 of people are like soulless fallen angels. Some shit like that. I was like, damn.
Reptilians.
I have no
Gross.
idea though. Chabbytron.
What was my first position size? Oh, that's a good question. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. I think I pretty much probably started off like 0.10. Yeah, I'm sure I have pictures of, I know I have some pictures of some screenshots of some of my first trades.
big folk rep, man. It's funny, but like, go look at someone's eyes, and you'll know what I mean.
Yeah, I increased my lot size as my account grew. So as I got bigger accounts, that's when I would increase the lots. I'm trying to see. I might have a picture on my Instagram. Let me see. Doop, doop, doop. Woke up straight to the bus. Oh, that's all right. Not for long. What's this? So this is I was trading one lots here. I was trading 4 lots too. Yeah, no, I don't think I have any pictures up there. I probably have them in my camera roll. Yeah, here's one lots here. Some one lots. Yeah, I pretty much started just like everyone else.
Yeah, everyone sure has used one loss before.
Yeah, I remember when one lots was a game changer. I think we were saying this the other day. Me and Green were talking one time when Green first started getting into trading, and I was like, "Yo, them one lots are gonna change our life, bro. $10 a pip? Stop playing. 10 pips? That's $100."
Not for real though.
Now we get slipped $2,000. Green, we made it.
Hey, one pip on a one lot. Green, we can get a boneless spare from Kaloon House. So, pretty fire.
How do you decide where to close 80%? You have to look left, right? Looking left is always going to get you right. So you got to make sure you're looking left. And under, like, for us, break even was right here. So on this trade that we took, I believe it was off the 30 or the 15, there was a zone, right? So we don't see anything right here, right? There's nothing but space. But if we go look left in this area where this middle line here, then we'll find something. So I'll show you what I found looking left, and most traders aren't willing to do this work, right? So we had a minor level of support there, and then we also had this minor level of resistance right here, right? So this zone right here determined where I was going to close 80%, because my trade is clean, right? This thing is clean coming all the way down, nice clean candle, and then boom. That's where your support is. That's where price can reject to move back up. So, and now it doesn't necessarily mean it has to reject, right? Because it could always move through. But that's where I decide to close 80, because that could be a problem, right, in our trade. So I secure what I got there and then let the rest of it ride. So you always got to look left on the charts. Don't be lazy as a trader, right? Most traders are lazy, and that's why they can't figure out their ranges, right? You're sitting down here anyway. Why not really find the best areas, you know, and be willing to scroll back a little bit? Yeah, all you got to do, you only got to do just a little bit extra to separate yourself in trading and in life.
Yeah. That's fire.
Is the promo still up? Yeah, the promo is going to be up till tomorrow, so you can get 2 months 2 months free, and that's tomorrow. We got to cap that off. Yeah, I think I said 2 weeks, right? It's been 2 weeks now. So we'll leave it open for tomorrow, maybe the weekend, and then when I get back on Monday, I'm going to take it off. Yes, that's correct. Toby, yep, correct. Yeah, we're going to wait here for NY Open. Yeah, what's the 30 doing? 30 moving down? Yeah, 30's moving down. It looks like we're starting to break the lows here now. But I am going to wait here for the NY Open. And then I've got 2 shots here, 2 more shots on the day. 8:15 if we get something, or possibly 8:30, and then I've got to get going. Don't want to miss my flight.
Definitely not.
Beautiful, beautiful. GJ pushing back up here.
Kiddos and wife are all up.
Anna's up. The kids are sleeping.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I completely forgot that the pound had rates at 7 a.m. Did you?
No,
Did
yeah,
you know that?
I knew that. That's why I was.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. But the 4 hour, man, it was just a given. If the pounds were doing the rates, you knew that these wicks were gonna get filled, especially if you finally had that closure. And then I was looking at this support getting tapped, but not yet, I guess. But yeah, that's why I closed partials there, like 2 or 3 minutes before the news. It's like, let's secure that and get stops to break even.
Yeah, they actually were looking to hike the rates today, which would have been bullish for the pound, but they didn't. So that's why I bled.
Good, good.
But interesting though, because I forgot about that, and someone in the chat had said something. So same thing with GJ as with gold, no change in the rates, so just follow the price action from this point forward.
Yeah.
But since it came out less than expected, you did see that initial drop down with the news. That's what that was.
Stream from the flight.
Imagine.
What are the best pairs with this strategy? You can use it on any pair. You just have to learn that pair. And a few things you want to learn about that pair is when does volume come in, right? When does volume come into that pair? What are the ranges that it likes to trade in, right? Got to make sure you learn about ranges. And there's a few things to learn about, right? And you got to study the pair. And then once you got that down, then this is simple candlesticks, right? Nothing is on the charts here. No indicators, nothing. Just lines that I draw myself. So you just got to learn how to find ranges and learn when volume comes in and learn about the playbook. And yeah, it'll work for pretty much any pair. What up, Unique? Yeah, there's news at 8:30.
Unique?
Yep.
Good morning.
Yep.
Wait, what?
Whoever held gold sells, word. That's a move. That's what you call a move right there. I ain't gonna. A like is free. Hey, can we get some likes in the chat? Don't give me too many likes, but can we get a few likes here? Let me go like the stream my darn self.
Something slight.
Don't give me too many. I just want one from you. Yes. Yes, you. Oh, let me like the stream. Let me make it 333. I made it 333. There we go. Flow state, baby, flow state. Don't give me too much. Don't give me too much. Just one like. That's all we want. If you could just give me one like on the stream today, man, that'll have me skipping in the airport, chilling.
Trader JX, fire up. Trying to see something.
Fired up.
I'm trying to see something.
Yo, y'all gonna have me skipping through the airport with a Leia. Wow, thank you guys. Don't give me too much, please. Just one from each individual. Thank you. I'll give you 2 licks. Can we check Nas and if there is a change to go retrace? Yes, Paul, only if you promise me that you like the stream here today. Can you give me that promise, Paul? Your mom will. Well, mom, wake up. Sign into your YouTube channel. Like the stream, please. Hey, man. If your mom ain't subbed, you gotta go and log into the account and sub on your mom's channel, please. All right, let's take a look at the Nasdaq here, and let's go to the weekly time frame. So looking at the weekly time frame here, we have resistance had been formed, right? So price had pushed up pretty heavy, came down, created support, created resistance, and now it looks like we're coming down to tap back into this support level, or at least attempting to. So let's take a look at what's going on here on the daily. So the daily candle did drive down, right? Created resistance here, and then ended up driving down. Now it also closed with no bottom wick, right? Now this candle continued to drive, and now we're approaching this support level. So we've got a support, we've got a resistance, and we're at the bottom of the range here, right? This is just the range. If this was a 30-minute time frame, we wouldn't really want to take sells here, right? Right at support. So we may need a retracement. So let's go ahead and take a look. Very, very bearish, but let's see what the 4-hour candles are looking like. So 4 hours pushing down, coming into the support. Yeah, most likely you're going to see a retracement to come back up. And then if you want, wait on it and then wait for some sort of a fake out or resistance form there. And then you can come back down. I think that's going to be your best bet here. If you want, if you're skilled and you like doing this, you can buy on the way back up and then wait for sells to come back down. But that's what I would do there for the Nasdaq. Definitely wouldn't take a sell here. That's for sure. What's wrong with the candle? What, that has no bottom wick? Good question. So candles, so 85% of candles look like this, right? You got a, basically you have a top wick, right? Right here. You have a bottom wick, which is right here, and a body. And what this wick right here represents, right, is it's a range for the next candle to drive in. So when there's no bottom wick, likely the next candle won't drive. Now, sometimes it will, right? But more often it won't. So let's take a look at this from a bullish perspective, right? Let's say you get a candle to close above, right? Looking like this, and we were waiting for that all day. This becomes a 50-50 opportunity for price to move up, right? Now, again, 50-50, there's still an opportunity, but when you have something like this, that 50-50 goes from 50 to 80, 80-20, 85-15, right? Because this wick here, it represents a range for the next candle to be able to drive in. And that's typically why you'll see, and that's typically why you'll also hear the term wick fill, right? Because that's the wick getting filled there, and then that will now break the high to come up and make a new high, right? And then give you that wick. So just like candles, or just like trends are like higher highs and higher lows, candles do the exact same thing, right? They make their own higher highs and higher lows and higher highs, right? And then the next candle on clean price action will come down and make a new low, right? Just like the market would. Oh, let me switch colors. Make a new low and then create a new high and fill that wick. And once that wick is filled, you'll typically see a drive up. So just as candles have higher highs and higher lows are the actual market condition, so do candles. So good thing to keep an eye on to know what trend you're in when you're looking at candlesticks. Yeah, because a lot of times in that bullish situation there, if you get a close above and it's got no top wick, what'll happen a lot of times is the candle will start moving up right away, right? It'll start moving up right away, but guess what? It won't remain pushing, right? What'll happen is you'll see some sort of a wick up and then a close back below the range, right? And if the candles are closing back below, high chance we drop down. So go ahead and try and spot these setups, right? You got one right here, right? Go ahead and try and look for this in the market, and you'll see how common it is. Because also 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So yeah, candlesticks are very important to learn. Now sometimes like this right here was a 50-50 move, it would go down. Now it worked out this time, but the majority of times it's not going to work out. And that's why we never like to enter off candles that don't have top and bottom wicks. Oi. GJ. Oh yeah, GJ closed here. So let's take a look at pound yen. Let me get rid of all this too. Hold on. So let's get rid of everything here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, no top wick here, no top wick there, so nothing there for us. Yeah, Mark. Yep, that's still good. That offer, that promotion will run till probably Sunday. And then when I get back on Monday, because we said that the promotion was going to be 2 weeks. So I think we're at 2 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks. So yeah, y'all are good. If you guys want to get the signals, yeah, you guys are good. So the promo will run till Sunday. Got y'all.
Hey man, I want to see some pullbacks on gold and GJ. This
Yeah.
point.
Thank you, Bobby. Amen, brother. Thank you. You look fresh in the hair, huh? I look fresh in the hair, eh? Looking fresh in the hair?
Hey bro, you get that comment every day. Eh?
I was gonna grow the hair out. That's why I was rocking hats all the time. But you know what? I don't know.
Hey man, do what you want. You know?
I've already grown my hair out once because I read something that said every man should grow their hair out at least once in their life. So I grew it out once. It was pretty fun, but
Nah, it could get annoying.
it can get a bit annoying.
Definitely.
That's when I get mine cut. Like once it starts getting in my eyes.
Thanks.
Andreas in the building. Harlem. Shout out to Harlem in the
Hey,
house.
what's good, Andreas?
Harlem World. They go on and
Shout out
on.
Harlem.
Harlem World. I've seen videos of people like driving through Harlem. They're like got a big speaker on their car. Shout out the people at the bus stop.
Hey, yeah, a lot of y'all grew your hair out. Definitely something to do once in your life, for sure. I agree with that. Yeah, Nick should have a photo on his Instagram if you follow it.
Unique, you seen that too? Yeah, that's funny. What's up, Unique? I seen you say good morning earlier.
Where's Mike? Shout out to Harlem. Shout out to everyone uptown, downtown. Midtown. Money Mitch in the house. Hey. You got a photo with the long hair? Yeah, you can find it on my IG. I think John just said that, right? Yeah.
Where's Frank? Good.
Yeah, if you guys want to see my IG, you can follow it here. I was looking to see if I had any older from when I first began, but yeah, look at this. 102 weeks ago. Look at this. The man Raja. Yeah, these were
Nick, those late nights, brother.
those late. Look
Late
at this,
night
1 a.m.
Raja's binge.
Oh yeah. Well, 1 a.m. is not that late, but yeah, same stuff, right? Same strategies. Oh, you know what this is? This changed the game for me. Oh yeah.
Lunch at the desk.
Oh yeah, we started learning that strategy. Look at this, 2:40 a.m. gang. Stop
Free
playing.
London.
Right? The homework has been done. I'll be trying to tell y'all. Oh, 115 pips.
Gone.
Goner, baby. Look at that. Look at the motion on that one.
Yeah.
Same stuff
Hey,
though,
we're coming
gang.
for those
Same-
100 pips.
Yeah, same stuff. That was my biggest day up until this point. That was onion play. Yeah, man. So you guys see, same strategy, right? 92 weeks ago. Nothing has really changed, right? We've just got better and better at it.
Went up.
Yeah, same stuff. Yeah, same type of positions, right? Breakout. Right, same stuff here. Nothing has really changed much. These are my impulse entries. My impulse entries. Some of you guys asked about my impulse entries. So entry was on the break of that high there, right? For price to continue up. That was probably around.
That looks like a breakout, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, it does.
yeah, maybe it was a breakout. I don't know.
Nah, I
But
closed above.
Yeah.
the
it
entry
looks
was
like
up
it.
here, so that just kind of told me it might have been an impulse.
Yeah, entry a little different.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
You know, entry gets better.
Yeah, what time was
So-
that at?
I don't know. No time here.
I love looking at my old trades as well, seeing like how the
Yeah.
price action, like how I seen it then
Yeah.
versus
Oh,
how
yeah.
I see it now.
Yep, yep.
Actually seeing your progress, man. It's awesome.
Yeah. Be a lion, hunt smart.
Sir.
That's the motto.
Oh, for that quality meat.
Yeah, 100 pip move right there. Yeah, so yeah, yeah, it's my Instagram right here. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore at the end. So pretty much every trade we take, we'll post most of them, not all of them, but most of them. But moving forward, we'll get all of them in there. But yeah, you guys can follow me on IG. Keep an eye out for the stories. Oh, look at this. Yeah, still no top wick. Starting to see a change in my trading. Nice. Oh, awesome, awesome. Good stuff.
Unemployment claims thoughts, please. So, what are they expecting? They're not
Yeah.
expecting to see really any of a change. But if we do see green numbers or a forecast, the actual come out greater than forecast, then gold should continue on. So that's what I would expect her to do. Very simple unemployment claim.
All right, give me one moment. Yeah, if you guys want to talk about the news, I just got to do something here, and then we're probably going to shut it down soon. So just give me one moment.
Hashim, that's a really hard question to answer, bro. Just because everyone's gonna, close their trades or get different entries. So
I think it would be really nice, like, for gold to like pull back to continue down, leaving a wick to fill on the 4 hour for that new 4 hour open. We're just pushing right now.
If market pushes us up, are we good to take sells? If we end up pushing up on gold, you'd want to wait for an onion to form or a resistance. So like you'd want to see gold pull back, and then you want to see it pull back, and then we get like a bearish candle. But like we'll say this candle hits green. Oh, what am I doing? And then if you see that resistance form after we get that pullback, that would be your sell.
Yep.
That could be a setup. Oh, he's back. The man is back. He could have drawn
And an onion.
faster than I did.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, that onion lower time frame will be the wick fill on the 4 hour, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Could maybe John or Sam continue it? If John lived near me already, then yeah, because he can just come over to my house and shut everything off. But I can't leave everything running, right? The stream will be running for till Monday.
Nah, you can't.
You guys gonna have a party on the stream this
I'm
weekend?
not gonna fire up a stream mid-session.
Yeah.
Keep an eye
Yeah, I
on
don't have the equipment. Yeah.
just keep an eye on the signals channel. Any trade I may take a trade at 9:30 in the airport, not gonna lie. If we get a nice pullback, I definitely want to look for positions because gold should continue ripping down here. So I'll still be looking for positions once I'm settled in at the airport, and I'll be waiting for the flight. So yeah.
May have to get that Wi-Fi.
I got my hotspot, so we good.
Oh, okay, all right, but
Yeah, tune into the Discord. I'm sure the guys and girls will be in the Discord too.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. If you guys got questions, I'm sure I'll just be in the Discord watching. I will say though, and I want to make it very clear, I'm not gonna give you a signal. I'm not giving signals, like so.
Facts.
I'll give you ideas.
Yeah, I'll be in the Discord.
Trade ideas. You know, kind of like I just drew up that little onion. Like that could be a possible setup. Something like that.
Anything that comes to the name is not financial advice.
Yeah, me neither, by the way.
Not for real though.
Stream on Friday, so there's not going to be a stream tomorrow, but we'll be back Monday.
And I'll pop up in the Discord tomorrow as well. So
Maybe Shiro can somehow just drop into this desk here, and then he'll start up the live stream for you guys. Right, Shiro?
Shiro, man, if you can do that.
Shiro could do anything. The man's from Wakanda.
Ooh.
TK's already tapped into my computer. That guy's been in my computer for 3 weeks already. You don't know how big that man's brain is.
I'll let him be in my computer for as long as he wants as well.
It's one of those guys with a big brain, you know? Just smart. Gotta love having smart people as your friends, man.
Definitely wouldn't want a person who's dumb as my friend. Is Sarah TK?
Can Shiro turn off Sam's lamp?
Right.
Ooh, that's a good one.
That's a little creepy.
820 volume coming in. Let's see how the 5 minute goes here. Should see a move here. No bottom wick, so you may see a pump up. But I didn't say Uganda. I said Wakanda. I don't think anyone wants a dumb friend. Yeah, but you got some of those friends, they're like smart and dumb at the same time.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I got a few of those.
Y'all got like a stupid smart friend or like a smart stupid friend? I mean, I don't mean to call them stupid, but where's UConn?
Hey, we can all be smart in life. We just have to read.
But what if I don't know how to read?
Then you gotta learn how to read, bro. Or get an audio.
Get an audio. What happened to Scotty boy? Scott should be here. Scotty boy.
Calling Scott.
Books on tape. Books on tape. There you go.
Hey, there we go.
I'll have to fast until Monday.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
Fasting till Monday. All
Hey,
right,
if y'all don't feel the best right now physically, I'd say do a 3-day water fast. And let me know. Text me and let me know.
Where you just drink water and that's it? Don't eat?
Yeah, no food, just drinking water. 3 days.
I'll try to look smart in public, dumb at home. All right, we got news coming up. I'm gonna watch the news with you guys, and then I'm gonna get going.
It's almost boarding time for you.
I'll be in the Discord a little bit, and then the Signals channel. I'll be mainly chilling in the Signals channel. Shad in the build. No, Shad's been here, I thought. Didn't I see Shad already earlier?
Shad?
Oh,
Good Shad.
Nah, he snitched on himself. He said, I am late today. That's how I know he just got here. Hey, better late than never.
Thanks. And Chad, man, you're allowed to be late at this job. You don't got no boss. Any other job, though, that boss gonna have a problem.
Oh yeah, look, there's
Not the
that
charts.
support. Nice, nice gold. Nice job, gold. Off this 1 hour here, beautiful. If we would have had a top wick, that would have been nice.
Yeah, it was zero entry.
Would have been a nice move if there was a top wick. But, it's good that we knew where gold was going, right? Chill. Keep my meeting with Pal on the low. Oh, you like that, David? Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, shout out to TK. TK helped me out with that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see now when we're in a trade. That way I don't have to keep bouncing back to MT5 because yeah, MT5 because Trading View obviously looks a lot cleaner than MT5, right? So JP's calendar, it's exposed. Live action, tick by tick on MT5. What's MT5? No, I said I was gonna wait for NY open, not NYSE open. Just NY open, which is this candle here, but no top wick. Oh, still using MT4.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, Tiga, that's funny, bro. You gamer, what's good, bro?
My wife knows all your names. Hey, my wife knows some of your guys' names too. There was an entry on the 30-minute. Yeah, this one right here, that was probably the best entry. So if you got in on the break of those lows, then yeah, that was valid, but the 1 hour wasn't valid.
Mm, 30. It didn't give a top wick at all.
Yeah, no top wick on the 1 hour. So,
I
but if
know,
you were
strong,
in,
bro.
if you were in on
30
the
order.
30, then you're chilling. If you're in on the 30, you're like, screw that top wick. We don't need that.
No, yeah.
If you're waiting on the 1 hour though, you're like, we need that top wick. We need it. Everyone on the 30, everyone that's already in is like, no.
Like a laugh. I love that.
GJ? Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, GJ, no top wicks here either. Bullish close on the 30, so yeah, nothing for me yet. Yeah, GJ, we took this celery play here, but after the news, price is trying to find its footing here.
It's new.
Scalped it on the 1 minute chart. Nice. All right, speaking about 1 minute, there is 1 minute here on this candle. We're going to watch unemployment claims come out. You may get a top wick on this candle for price to continue down. That may be the pullback, maybe not, but we'll see what happens here. 5 seconds. Here it comes. Will we go up? Yeah, if we go up, that'll be nice. I'll definitely keep an eye on this over the next hour or two. We got that support here, so we never close below it. No top wicks. All right. Yeah, just pushing down. So that is gonna do it here today. I gotta get going. Got this flight I gotta catch. There won't be a stream tomorrow, but W week here. I think we took 3 trades this week, all 3 winners, and really good setup. So we'll come back next week. No stream tomorrow, gang. I'll see you guys on Monday. I'll be in the Signals channel. I'll be in the Discord a little bit as well. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys have an awesome session here. And just wait, right? Wait for clean price action and then, take your move. So, Sam, John, catch you guys later.
Nick, I'll catch you,
Hey,
bro.
have a good flight. Safe flight, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sam,
sir.
have a great day, bro.
Yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon.
Later,
I'll talk to
boys.
you later, bro.
All right.
Chat, I'll see you.
We go.
Peace.
See you in the Discord chat.
Later, y'all. All right, chat. Love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys soon.